Are you ready to launch your career in aviation? A diploma in airline and airport management could be your first step into this thrilling industry. Let's take a closer look at what this program offers and why it's a smart choice for aspiring aviation professionals. What is this diploma about? This diploma is a short-term, focused program designed to prepare you for roles in the aviation industry. Over just 1 year, you will dive into key areas like airport operations, airline management, customer service in aviation, aviation safety regulations. What sets this course apart is its practical focus. Think of internships, workshops, and real-world training that make you job-ready from day one. Career opportunities. Here's the exciting part: this diploma opens doors to a wide range of careers. Some of the roles you can step into include cabin crew, ground staff supervisor, airport manager, aviation safety officer. Starting salaries are competitive too, ranging from 2,50,000 rupee to 5 lakhs rupee per annum depending on the role and company. Top institutes offering this diploma. Looking for the right place to start? Some of the top institutes in India offering this diploma include Frankfurt Institute of Air Hostess Training, Aptic Aviation Academy, Indira Gandhi Institute of Aeronautics. These institutes don't just focus on classroom learning, they emphasize industry exposure so you graduate with confidence and skills. Who can apply? The eligibility criteria are pretty straightforward. You need to have completed 10+2 in any stream. Some institutes may require an interview or aptitude test, but that's about it. This makes it accessible for students from all academic backgrounds. Affordable fees and scholarships. Worried about the cost? Don't be. The course fees typically range from 40,000 rupee to 1,50,000 rupees depending on the institute. And the best part? There are plenty of scholarships to ease the financial burden, including merit-based scholarships for high performers, need-based financial aid for students from economically weaker sections, special scholarships for women, encouraging more diversity in aviation. Hiring companies. Once you've completed your diploma, you can look forward to placements with top recruiters like Indigo, SpiceJet, Air India, and Vistara. These companies regularly hire for roles in airport operations, ground staff management, and customer service. Your next step. A diploma in airline and airport management is your fast track to a rewarding aviation career. It's quick, hands-on, and packed with opportunities to grow. Ready to take off? Visit sulekha.com to explore top institutes, compare fees, and connect directly with colleges to kickstart your journey. Don't wait, your aviation dream is just one step away.